Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Tamil Nadu rally tragedy claims 40 lives due to mismanagement. Highlights political accountability and crowd control failures. Organization failures. TVK resisted police restriction. Systematic issues includes police denied preferred venues, lack of open and spacious alternatives, insufficient emergency protocols. Madras High Court has had previously expressed concern over property damage by TVK supporter. This tragedy underscores the urgent need for mandatory safety protocol and spacious venues for large political gatherings. 40 lives lost, including children. 17K exceeded capacity. Actual turnout surpassed TVK's projection over 17,000 people. Understanding comprehensive asphyxia. External compression. Heavy weight of force compresses the chest and abdomen, preventing normal lung expansion. Results in impaired breathing. Restricted chest wall movement leads to failure of ventilation and reduces oxygen supply. Fatal consequences. Hypoxia and hypercapnia cause unconsciousness and death if compression includes. This medical condition, common in stampedes and crowd crushes, occurs when external pressure prevents breathing. Clinical signs include cyanosis, facial swelling, and petechial hemorrhage. Tiny red spot on skin and eyes. India strengthened ties with the Global South at UNGA, criticizes Israel, US trade policies, and UN reform. GS2 International Relation. Composition and function of United Nations General Assembly. All 193 UN members states participate with equal voting rights regardless of size and power. The General Assembly serves as the main deliberative body discussing international peace, security and cooperation while adopting the UN budget and election key. India's role. As a founding UN member since 1945, India champions multilateralism and US UNGA as platform to highlight Global South concern including development, equity and climate justice. India's evolving Global South leadership. Strategic realignment. India signals stronger alignment with the Global South nations at UNGA, moving beyond traditional non-alignment. Critical diplomacy. More vocal criticism of Israel Gaza action and US trade policies reflects the shifting priorities. India at United Nations General Assembly. Bilateral focus. Jaishankar had held over half of his bilateral meetings with the developing nation, emphasizing South-South cooperation. Global South issues. Multilateral discussion focused on development, equity and justice concern of developing nations. AstroSat, India's first space observatory, completes a decade among the stars. Astrosats, India's Eye on Universe. September 28, 2015. Launched by PSLV C-30 from Sriharikota as India's first dedicated space astronomy observatory. Exceed initial 5-year mission life, continuing to deliver groundbreaking discoveries. September 28, 2025. Completed remarkable 10 years of operation, establishing India's space astronomy capabilities. AstroSat multi-wavelength vision. Ultraviolet imaging telescope observes in near and far UV region. Scanning sky monitor detects and monitors transient X-ray sources. Large area X-ray proportional counter studies time variability of X-ray sources. Soft X-ray telescope emissions. X-ray emission from distant cosmic sources. Cadmium zinc telluride image measures hard X-ray spectrophotosis. Cosmic discoveries and scientific breakthroughs include deep space detection, detected ultraviolet light from a galaxy 9.3 billion light years away. Black hole studies provided crucial insights into supermassive black holes, neutron stars, and binary star system. Stellar phenomena, advanced understanding of star formation, supernova, gamma ray burst across the electromagnetic spectrum. India space evolution from technology to application, technology driven era, early focus on developing indigenous space capabilities and launch vehicles, shift toward practical applications serving societal needs and economic developments. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.